Hey, what's up guys? I'm going to do a product review on a supplement that isn't a supplement. You guys will find out what I mean in a second here, but first of all I'm going to give a shout out to anyone that goes to Pure Energy Fitness. Shout out to you guys. You guys will probably look out some of my videos because of a message on a board, but anyway, shout out to you guys and keep up the good work. Anyways, here's a supplement that isn't a supplement. Gatorade or Powerade. I got Gatorade. No, my cat's in the way. The reason I'm doing this video is because I find that that Gatorade is a great thing to drink during a workout. It's because it has sugar in it, and the sugar just gives me energy during my workout. I find it really good. Just keep me my thirst quenched. No, thirst quencher. But I wasn't drinking nothing really during my workout but water, and I found that I was staying hydrated, but I didn't have much energy. Then I tried out a Gatorade during I think it was volleyball or basketball that had sugar in it, and I really liked it because it gave me that constant flow of energy because of the sugar. So if you guys are finding yourself fatigued because of your workout, Gatorade will definitely help with that. Don't get like G2. G2 has some sugar in it, not very much. Get the one that has quite a bit of sugar in it. I find it works really good. Just the original Gatorade, original Powerade. Unless you're like on a diet or something, but if you're not too worried about your weight and you just want to get a good workout in for, I don't know, toning, strength wise, or I don't know, just something to do, and if it's not against your diet, definitely go with some Gatorade. Regular, a supplement that isn't a supplement. Thanks guys for watching. Until next time, see you later.